Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please subscribe.
River time. I'm going to blue hole. Get angry, come up back shot. Get two swims. Swing shot. A river. In a swim spot. Swim spot. Rev it out like a G-Wagon, G-Wagon. This out of Clarendon, James Hill. G-Wagon. Yes, original river. See if we can catch two crawfish, you see? Set a fish pot there. Chilling. G-Wagon. Clarendon. James Hill, Clarendon. River pot. See river, yeah, river. So I'm bored there. Looking at extinction. Yeah. Okay, so I fish about them. Oh, I can't see one of the shot. River. Deep as fuck. So set two fish pot in yourself. Yo, please subscribe to the channel, you see me? Cause I crab see me, you see me? So, when I'm down and say them crawfish and everybody some big one, but not catching on see me. Look at your crab, no, I let you down, you see me? Just please subscribe to the channel, you see me? See you, pray.